I voted for Minor because she is very much like the glue that holds the computer science department together. I first met Minor during an open day when I was looking to come to Aberystwyth 3 and a bit years ago now. And on that day I was really impressed at how she was able to answer all my questions, and she spoke to me in a way that didn't feel derogatory at all. And you know, no matter how big or small the question was, I went away feeling like she'd answered it well and that I had the information I need to make the choice to come to Aberystwyth. As soon as I started in university, after my first year I became a demonstrator for the department, and Minor ended up becoming my line manager. I would struggle to think that you could find a better line manager in terms of how supportive she is. She's always willing to be flexible, and she understands that obviously because you're in the first degree a student, not a member of staff, if you can't do a shift for whatever reason, or if you've got too much work commitments, then she's always willing to be completely flexible with that. And I've never ever had a situation where she hasn't supported me if I've needed to take a shift off or whatever. And she is generally just a really lovely person to work with, and that's why I think Minor deserves the award.